the machine, the first thing is that the machine has two wires, but normally some are red, while some are black, red. Doesn't matter. All so one is positive, one is negative, but it doesn't matter which one is negative or positive. So I'm going to show you first. So on your table, you will see a demarcation line on your table. There is, you can see a demarcation line there. So make sure you installed a nail. You can see that I put a nail here. That is, then you install another nail through here. You can see it there. Then after installing that nail, then this you see this element. This is the element you are going to connect within this true nail to this other nail. You're going to connect this element that place there. So sometimes you may actually need a plier to stretch it. Right. So you need a plier to stretch it. Like this. So you tie it in this place. Then you stretch it so hard. Make sure it's straight like a guitar string. That's how I do it. See that? Then you put it. Then you cut off. Then you need to have a very strong plier too. Now it's off now. Now you can see it is very strong. Then, but when you're doing yours, make sure it is straight. If I just a demo, make sure it is straight like a guitar string, that you have a smooth cutting. Then out of these two wires, then you got to install one around those wires. You wrap it as well as that. Then you wrap the second one again. Round it again. As you can see. Now it's actually like it's connected like this now. Then what you now need to do is to plug your machine. Now when you plug it, this will generate the sufficient heat that we're able to see and cut the nylon. So thank you very much. I'm going to plug this now. Let's see. Now you can see now it's working now. And when it's working, it will generate heat. That mind you, it doesn't shock, and all it does do is hot. So let's just see if it is work. Let's see our connection if it is working. Yes, so that is. So you can see. So the main now that we have got all the connection, and you can see that. You can see it is working. Well, probably this is a rough sketch. This is how to cut the nylon. I'm just showing you that our connection is working. So as simple as this, you can always get the whole thing. So thank you. If you have more questions, you can call me, message me on my email, visit my website www.academicsprojectworld.com or visit projectworld.com.ng, or you can call our office number 080 600 31382. Thank you so much.